Hi, my name is Matjaž. I'm co-founder and main developer of Pinegrow. Today we will look how we can use Pinegrow to fix and improve a template. So this is Flatty. It's a template developed by Carlos Alvarez from Black Tie. And it's a very nice, elegant template. But when we check how it looks on, say, a laptop, we see that the layout is somehow broken. So first, let's just open. Let's use multi-page editing in Pinegrow and open the page at the different screen sizes so that we can have an overview of what's going on and what we have to do. So let's do this tree. So you see here everything is fine, but on smaller sizes the layout in the header is broken. So let's see why. So here we'll just select a column, go to properties, and you can see that the column span is set to 6 only for large display. So let's fix this and set it 6 on small. See, so now we also get the updated view here, and also the right column. It's also 6 on large. So let's go again 6. Okay. So it looks much better already. Here we see that the title has like a line break. So just double click on the title and edit it in line. And every change we do on main page gets automatically mirrored like to other pages we opened. Okay, let's maybe switch this one to tablet. And here we can notice a problem. The hand is kind of floating in the air. And we investigate what's going on. So header rep, that's a header. Probably here will be a cause. And we can see here we have minimum height is set to 650. So let's just try to get rid of this line. And looks okay, right? So let's keep the changes. Okay, so what else can we do? Again, here on the tablet, we can see that the invite button got pushed to the second row, and we would really use kind of margin. It would look much better if there would be a space. So how to do that? It's simple. We will add a CSS rule. Targeting button in the header. But we only want it here on this side, so we have to set media rules appropriately. And then let's try margin top 10 pixels. Yeah, and the C button got pushed down a little bit. Looks much nicer now. And we can do something similar for the mobile phone display. So again, let's create a rule. The media. So it will only be for the display sizes smaller than this. And what we can do is make the button span whole width. And also we need a little bit of space beneath it. So let's put margin bottom pixels. Yeah, looks okay, right? Okay, so what else? One thing we noticed, like on these two sizes, we have too much space at the top. There's like huge padding set. So again, we create a rule. That will take care of that. And we will make these media rules easier, like soon in one of the next updates of Pinegrow. So you will be able to set, like, choose a preset and not have to type the values. Okay, so let's see. Padding top. What happens? You put it 0. Not enough. 40. A little bit more. Let's put it 80. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Okay, so let's see what else we can do. If we check the page, here looks okay, but how about here? Okay, so one thing we see, like here it looks very nice with 3 columns, and we could actually use the same layout also on these sides. So we go to the main page, and we will do changes here because we want them to be updated. This is the main page, and it's mirrored here, so we will do all the changes here. 4. Don't need this one. We can use the 3. It's much easier, like to select the elements that way. So for this one, and one more column. Also here you see the slideshow. It's off the center. Let's see why. What's happening? Okay, so it's centered only on large screen. So let's do it. I think we need it for small also. And offset 1. How about medium? We need 8. So 2. Yeah, perfect. Also, these guys could use help, and they would look much better if they are like here. So let's just make the changes. The last one. Okay, and I think we kind of did it. Looks much nicer now. We fixed like all the issues with the layout, but we can go further because Pinegrow lets us define variables instead of hard-coded CSS values, and in this way we can create kind of a template that will be very easily customizable just by changing a couple of variables. So let's come here, and first one, I think we would need background color for header. Let's give it a name. And we need the value. Take it from here, so let's take it and change it with our variable. We just need the value. Okay, see? So now if we change the variable, then automatically the color of the header will change. And we can do the same for all other values, colors, and fonts. Here I skipped ahead and I already have a lot of variables like font, for example. So let's put something else like Georgia, or background color of the page. What else we have? And like the button color. And also I added the option to have image instead of the color in the header. Okay, so here's one. So what we do now is just get rid of this column with the photo. Delete. And we change the location of this column, just add offset like 6, like this. And we have to take care of this as well. Also just with the variable, make it transparent. And you see, like in about 15 minutes, we created a nice template, like we fixed the layout, and even more, we made it easily customizable by values, by variables. And Pinegrow uses less engine in the background. So here we can see like the less source, and can also edit the code if we want directly. And whenever we save a document, it will always save like a CSS file plus an extra less file. So much for now. Thanks for your attention, and you can download Pinegrow and try it out yourself. And it's a nice desktop app, so if you buy it, then you can use it on your computers on as many projects as you want. Okay, bye-bye.